I play a criminal. to be honest.
What? What?
I'm a
Ba,
bad
pwede na ba
guy
i-share
here.
yun?
Without giving away.
Oo
Without giving
nga.
away too much.
Yeah.
I'm a bad guy here.
Oh.
But anyway, I got from this is working with talented people like
Ayun na nga.
I miss Joey Marquez. You know, he played my father in one series that we did, and I love him so much. And of course, working with these men, fine
Oo.
actors, and this beautiful lady right here, fine actress, and
Si Direk, oo.
this is the main reason why I did this.
Yes.
Raymond Red.
Wow, of
I
course.
watched the trailer of him Papawid, and I watched the full length of Anino. A master.
I love
A
it.
master.
Alam mo, ang dami dapat abangan dito, pero yung pinaka-bongga, rated PG ito. Pwedeng dali ng buong pamilya. Chong, kayo na magkwento. Ano ba talaga ang hatak nito? Bakit nila itong unang panoorin sa Metro Manila Film Festival?
Bukod sa entertaining siya, may aral siya kasi. All the past lives, with all the disadvantages, and still make it. Ika nga. Makikita nila dito yung mga kaya nga finest eh.
Oo.
The policeman that we have, the best policeman we ever had before, compared today.
Oo. And you've played so many policemen already.
Oh, yes.
What sets this apart?
Because I'll be acting with these famous guys.
Yes!
And the best director.
Yeah.
Nako.
Raymond Red.
Oo, Raymond
The best
Red.
director.
Oo.
Yes,
Guys, so please invite everybody this Metro Manila Film Festival.
Hi
Dylan?
everyone. We are the Manila's Finest crew and direct, and we are all inviting you to watch Manila's Finest is coming December 25, 2025, an entry to the MMFF 2025.
Grabe. Congratulations in advance, guys. Yan muna yung latest mula rito. Ready na tayo manood?
Yep.
Back to you, Jervy.
Good morning. I'm discussing our beer session.
Thank you so much, guys.